Hello everyone, welcome to Neutron. So today we'll be doing the Master Vocab series Level 1 Revision 6. So this is going to be the last class of the Level 1 series of the Master Vocab series. Okay, so this is the weekly schedule of the classes. So you can take a screenshot of it, and below is the WhatsApp number given if you want to join the group. So before starting the session, I would like to talk to you regarding the exams. So since we all know that we have a number of exams in the month of September, starting with the Bihar Cooperative Bank mains, then we do have a SBI clerk mains, then we have a GIC exam, then we also have a UPSC EPFO exam. Okay, so there are 3 to 4 exams in the coming month. So it is a wise decision to do self study rather than watching other videos. Okay, so we will be resuming the classes again after the SBI clerk mains exam. Okay, so by that time you can do self study and you can give proper time to your mains examinations. Okay, so this will be the last class, and from tomorrow onwards there will be no classes till we have completed the SBI mains exam. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin with the today's session. So the first word is appropriate. So what does it mean? It means something that is suitable. Something that is suitable. Okay. Next is colossal. So colossal means something that is huge. Okay. Then we have mar. So the word mar means to spoil. Next is contrary. So contrary means to manage. Okay. Next word is forlorn. So it means lonely. Then we have scoff. So it means jeer. Ultimate means final. Adapt means to fit. Next is augment. So augment means to increase. Next is surmount. So surmount means to overcome. Next is adversary. So adversary means to the person who is an enemy of yours, okay, or opponent. Next is apprehend. So apprehend means to arrest someone, okay. Next is obscure. Obscure means dark, okay. Next is temperate. Temperate means something which is mild or moderate. Next is awe. Awe means respectful fear. Next is prudent. So prudent means to be wise. Next is diversion. So diversion here it means pastime. Next is faster. So here it means to encourage. Next is sojourn. So it means a temporary stay. Okay. So we are done with the exercise A. So moving on to the next exercise. So in the next exercise it says underline the italics word which gives the correct meaning for each of the following sentences. Okay. So we have to choose which word fits in this sentence. So here it is, we are entirely in accord or accordance with his suggestion. So it will be accordance. Okay. Next is milk is given as an anecdote or antidote for some poisons. So it will be antidote. Next is we need men with aggressive or progressive ideas in the government. So what kind of men we need? We need progressive men. Next is the farmer is loath to employ him because he is not dependable. So it will be loath. Okay. So the next is the tree on the summit of the Nell or Knoll. So it will be Knoll was struck by lightning because Knoll means a higher ground. Okay. Next is this morning 4 motorcycles raced over the aqueduct or viaduct. So it will be viaduct. Next is no one admires his civil or servile attitude towards his customers. So it will be servile. Next is coffee a mild stimulus or stimulant? So it will be stimulant. Next is in the next exercise we have to match up each word in column 1 with a suitable word in column 2. So the word is exalted. So what is exalted? So it will be exalted effort. Okay, next is diffuse. So diffuse means to spread. So what do we spread? The light can spread. Okay, next is expand. So it means expand. So what do you spend? The amount. Okay, next is distort. So distorts mean to disfigure. So it will be distort position. Okay, next is facilitate. So facilitate what? Escaping. Okay, next is equivalent. So it will be equivalent meaning. Next is civil. So it will be civil defense. Okay, so moving on to the next exercise. It says to replace each word with or expression in italics by a word used in lesson section 17 or 18. So we have to write a one word for the underlined word. So I will be underlining. Okay, so in the first sentence it says, during winters in the far north it is said that on account of shrinking nails are easily removed from the building. So what will be the one word for shrinking? It will be contraction. Okay, next is, if the Kinley cats had agreed to give in on some points of argument, they would not have destroyed each other. So what will be the one word for given? It will be compromise. Okay, next is the imperfection in the ruby reduced its value. So what will be the one word for imperfection? It will be flaw. Sky blue patches began to appear between the clouds. So what will be the one word? It will be azure. Okay, next is, I shall examine closely. Okay, I shall examine closely the library shelves to see what I can find. So what will be the one word for examine closely? It will be scan. Next is, an hour study will not be enough. You should work for 2 hours at least. So the underlined part is be enough. So what will be the one word for be enough? It will be suffice. Next is, Mr. Bentley is a very agreeable host. Okay, so what will be the one word for agreeable? It will be congenial. Okay, next is, it is usual humor. Okay, it is usual humor where more friendly, we should like him better. Okay, so what will be the one word for it? It will be disposition. Okay, so it will be his disposition. Okay, next is, Mr. Law, sick brother has now become a person relying on him. So the one word for relying on him will be dependent. Okay, next is, the accountant is for all practical purposes manager of the bank. So what will be the one word for all practical purpose? It will be virtually. Okay, so moving on to the next exercise. In this exercise it says, choose suitable words from the list given below and fill in the blanks. So let us read it. It was dash for the eldest son to enter the family business, and my brother Philip was dash to take his place in the textile firm. Okay, so what will be the right word which we can fill over here? So it was traditional. Okay, it was traditional for the eldest son to enter the family business, and my brother Philip was dash to take his place in the textile firm. So the word here will be destined. Okay, next is, when he said that he wanted to take a course in journalism, my father feared that the Hollies were beginning to dash. So what will be the word here? The Hollies were beginning to degenerate and refused to dash such a step. So the word here will be authorize. He pointed out that dash few writers achieve success. So what will be the word here? Comparatively. Okay, comparatively few writers achieved success while there was certain to be great dash in the textile. So what will be here? It will be great expansion in the textile trade in the near future. However, when one of Philip's stories was accepted by the prominent magazine and the dash was worth a large sum of money. So what was worth a large sum of money? It was the copyright. Okay, copyright of his content, that was worth a large sum of money. Father withdrew his opposition. Since our family dash two boys and girls, so here it will be comprise of two boys and girls, I now feel obliged to take my place as a junior member of Hollis and Son. Okay, so we are done with the today's session. So thank you so much for your time and patience, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates about my upcoming videos. And please do keep showering your love and support to this channel. Thank you so much.